Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Asif Ali, and this is my fifth course on Udemy. And this course is created for those who wants to learn R from scratch. And this course is designed for complete beginners with no prior experience in R. You will learn how to install R and R Studio, write R basic code, install and manage packages, and perform basic statistical analysis. Not only this, you will also be introduced to the several packages including Go and KEGG pathways, WGCNA through practical examples, and ready to use R script. In addition, you will receive many ready to use R script for bioinformatics and data visualization, which you can easily adopt to your own research project and assignments. I hope you will enjoy this course just as much as my previous courses on AI in research, data visualization, genome wide identification of gene families. If you have never used R before, so this course is perfect place to start. Let's begin your journey into the R programming.